Today I'm showing you how to make this amazing roasted salsa. It's smoky, spicy, and incredibly easy to make. Let's dive right in. Here's everything you'll need. About a dozen Roma tomatoes, 2 jalapenos, 6 or 7 garlic cloves, 1 bunch of cilantro, half a cup of white vinegar, and salt to taste. Simple ingredients for an incredible flavor. First, preheat your oven on broil. I like to set it to high. This is key to getting the perfect roasted flavor. Take your tomatoes, garlic, and jalapenos and arrange them in a cast iron skillet. No oil needed, just raw ingredients ready to roast. Place the skillet under the broiler. This is where the magic happens. After about 5 to 7 minutes, I removed and took the garlic out because you don't want it black, just brown. After a total of 10 to 15 minutes, everything was black enough for me, so I took the skillet out and flipped all of the vegetables. I prefer to have both sides roasted. When both sides are roasted, I remove the jalapenos and cut off the stem, rinse the cilantro, cut off the stems, and threw it all in the blender. Personally, I find it easiest to put the cilantro at the bottom and the tomatoes at the top because it blends more easily. Next, let's add the half cup of vinegar and salt to taste, whatever you prefer. Just blend the veggies until smooth. I like to use the pulse function. And that's about it, folks. You now have smoky, spicy, and just absolutely delicious roasted salsa ready to enjoy. Perfect for chips, tacos, and just about anything.